everyone, I have made a project today for the Core Olympics. It's called camera paint. So this is the main screen. Press on the button, click me to start painting. Now we're on this screen, the paint screen. If we want, we can select the width of how we draw, of the lines we draw, and we can also select the color. And we draw a smiley face. Now we can go for a yellow color and color the hair, and orange color the eyes and nose. And now we can go for the special feature. We press the camera button and it will take a photo. We can choose to take a photo of this book, for example. So now we can just decorate it. Like for blue example, we can draw sunglasses. Yeah, this is for example. Now what we do, we can just decorate it. So yeah, now that if you're done, you have to press save. It'll automatically save. Now press send. Now you have to choose how you will send. Thank you.